Okay, next let's take a look at the prospect list. Again, this is very much like the student list. I have many of the same tools. This is a list of all of my prospects. And now again, I have this sort of powerful set of filters so that I can filter out any group of my prospects that I like. I also obviously have these sort A to Z tools as well, where I can sort by creation date inversely or conversely, or I guess ascending and descending. I can sort by name, ascending or descending, however you choose to do that. You can set those filters up. But then obviously in my filter area, I have filter by when was this prospect created. So maybe I want my new prospects, all the people who have been a prospect in the last week, or maybe in the last month, or in the last 3 months, or in the last 6 months, or in the last year. Or I can even set up by date range. I can say, okay, I want the prospects that were created, I don't know, in the last 2 months, but not, but not before that, whatever the case is. So again, very cool set of features in my filter. I can filter by the program that they were interested in. If I know that, if that's in their record, I can filter by what program they were interested in. I can filter by the referral source, meaning what was their advertising source, what was their lead source. I can filter by the type of prospect they are. Is it a previous student or a previous buyer? This type is something unique in our system, where we have an additional layer of segmentation that you can segment your previous students or your previous buyers as well. And of course, I can turn the filters off. Now again, just like in the student page, once I've gotten the list that I want, I can use the group actions button to send them an email, to create, to send them an SMS message, to delete that prospect, to print the list, to create a new. I can also create a new prospect from this menu as well. So the prospect list gives me all those tools. Now again, just like in the student section, I have quick access to email. I can just click the button and send them a quick email. If they have a mobile number and they're opted in, I can click that little text messaging button and I can send them a text really quick. And I also have the individual actions for each individual prospect. So I can create an agreement directly from here. I can delete the prospect. I can send them an email, whatever the case might be. And then obviously if I click the prospect's name, I can get to that prospect profile. So again, from here I can control all of their prospect information. So that is the prospect list. Again, the powerful nature of these filters and the ability to create and execute group actions is really going to help you communicate with your prospects more smoothly, more quickly, and more robustly. Oh, and finally, in your prospect area, you'll also see this little search area up here. I almost forgot about it. But if you know the name of your prospect or maybe the phone number, you can click in here and you can start typing a few characters, and it will filter out your list of prospects based on that criteria. So it's pretty cool, and you'll see that you can also sort by phone number. You can sort by many criteria inside this little smart list. Very cool, but it's only going to be searching in your prospect section. So you know that you're getting prospects. So let's say I want to look for Apple. No, not Apple, but he was a student. He wasn't a prospect. So so Francis Galton. So I just FRA, and that got me the only one that matched that is Francis Galton. So that little search button is extra little feature there that's very cool. So hope that's useful. Look forward to speaking to you soon.